Many of these fires are in difficult to reach areas on foot. And so that's why our Itay Hod wants you to meet an elite group of firefighters who dive into the flames from the sky.
The whole thing is a pure adrenaline rush.
When 33-year-old Cole Skinner says he'll be dropping by his workplace, he means it literally. For the last 4 years, this has been his commute. A 3,000-foot death-defying dive with views that are hard to beat.
Check my canopy!
Cole is part of an elite group of firefighters that's been operating in places where roads don't exist.
Road release, cutaway, reserve, lower RSL.
Called Smokejumpers, they parachute directly into the flames. When the siren sounds, they pack on their gear and load onto a short C-23 Sherpa plane.
We have about 2 minutes to get our jump gear on, and then we're boarded onto the planes in less than 10 minutes.
Becoming a smoke jumper isn't for the faint of heart. Candidates must be in top physical shape and have some firefighting experience. Their missions are often miles away from civilization, which is why they bring everything they need with them. Their gear can often weigh up to 120 pounds.
How hot does it get in one of these things?
Incredibly hot.
Smoke jumping dates back to 1939, when the U.S. Forest Service realized it needed to stop remote fires before they became too big to handle. In all, there are about 400 smoke jumpers in the U.S., but as climate change intensifies, their jobs have become more demanding.
I experienced stuff that I had never seen before.
Mitch Hokinson is the Reading base manager and a smoke jumper for 25 years. He says these days fire seasons are getting longer and longer.
Normally fire season wouldn't start till June. Now it's starting end of April.
The daily grind can be both dangerous and physically demanding. And that's exactly why Cole says the moment he heard about the program, he jumped at the chance to join.
No one else gets to parachute out of a plane to go fight fire, and that's what we do here. It was a dream, and when it came true, it was everything it was supposed to be.
And now that he's landed the perfect job,
Oh yeah, baby!
the sky is no longer the limit.
Let's get it!